In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Docs on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your documents into Drive, keep them organized, and make sure they're easy to access anywhere. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. You'll land on your Drive homepage, which shows your files and folders. This is where everything you upload will live. To upload a document from your computer, click the New button in the top left corner, then choose File Upload. A file picker will open so you can select the document you want. You can also drag and drop a file straight into the Drive window if that's easier. As the upload starts, look for the small progress box in the bottom right corner. When it says Upload Complete, your file is safely stored in Drive. If the file you uploaded is a Word document, you can open it in Google Docs right from Drive. Just double-click the file, then choose Open with Google Docs. This lets you edit and collaborate in your browser. If you prefer every compatible file to convert automatically into Google Docs format on upload, click the gear icon in Drive, open Settings, and enable the option to convert uploads. That's helpful if you want consistent formatting and full Docs features. Next, keep things organized so you can find files quickly. To move your uploaded document into a folder, right-click the file, select Move To, and pick a folder. If you need a new one, create it with New. Then Folder. Give it a clear name, and move the file there. You can also click and drag files into folders in the left sidebar. To confirm the upload worked, open the file and make a small change, like adding a line of text, then close it. Google Docs saves automatically, and you should see the updated timestamp in Drive. If you need to access your document later, use the search bar at the top of Drive and type part of the file name. Drive search is fast and forgiving. If you plan to share the document, right-click it in Drive, choose Share, and adjust who can view or edit. Remember to set permissions carefully so only the right people can make changes. If an upload stalls, check your internet connection, refresh the page, and try again. Large files may take longer, and converting complex documents can add a bit of time. That's it. Your document is now uploaded, organized, and ready to use in Google Drive.